Hello everyone, welcome back to our SwiftUI tutorial series. So today we're diving into the essentials of SwiftUI views. If you're just starting with SwiftUI, understanding how to use fundamental components like text and image is crucial. Let's jump right in. The text view is used to display static or dynamic text in your app. It's as simple as adding the text view and providing the content. So customize your text by adjusting font, color, and alignment. In SwiftUI, everything is a view. Views are the building blocks of your app's user interface. Whether it's text, images, or buttons, they are all views. Next up, we have the image view. Displaying images in SwiftUI is a breeze. This creates an image view using the SF symbol system icon. Resizable modifier allows the image to be resizable, meaning it can be scaled to fit the specified frame. Frame sets the size of the frame for the image, making it 120 points in width and 120 points in height. The frame modifier is used to define the dimensions of the view. Foreground style sets the foreground color style of the image to brown. The foreground style modifier is used to apply a color to the foreground of the view. Button creates a SwiftUI button with two parameters, action and label. The action parameter is a closure or block of code that gets executed when the button is tapped. In this case, it prints hello to the console. The label parameter is a closure that returns the view hierarchy, in this case a text view with the label button to be displayed inside the button. A button style applies a button style to the button. The bordered prominent style indicates that the button should have a prominent border. This creates a SwiftUI button with the label delete. The role parameter is set to destructive. In SwiftUI, the role specifies the intended action or an effect of the button. In this case, setting it to destructive suggests that pressing this button will perform a potentially destructive or irreversible action such as deleting data. That wraps up our tutorial on the basics of SwiftUI views. Understanding these fundamental components will set you on the right path for creating beautiful and dynamic user interfaces in SwiftUI.